Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this 20-volt vacuum cleaner system here. Let me aim you guys down a little bit so you can see as I unbox it. And I have myself a Makita battery, which is actually a Ryobi battery with a Makita converter on it. But that's what works. And we'll show you guys what it all comes with here. We'll go through each of the pieces and parts. We have a little scrubbery brush. We have the bigger head on it with a flexible end. Let's see, I'll take this off. Here's our vacuum cleaner. We have another brush end here. So we have another brush end. We have a filter here and a whole filter system with the bag. I guess that's what's going to hook up onto here. Let's see, how do we do this? So it looks like it'll go like that. So there, that's how it's going to be. And then that'll be the switch. We have this brush here. We have a couple of extension poles and a crevice tool. So these are all the pieces and parts now out of it. So let's go see if we can try this out here. Let's put on the battery. So, ooh, that's got some suction to it. So let's try this out here. Let's put this on. Does it go this way? Yep. So here we go. We can make this nice and does this go on here? Or is this two of the same? Oh no, it goes that way. So there. So now we have a nice long wand. And then we can put our vacuum cleaner end on it. And so there. Now. Oops. I guess I did not have this connected up all the way. Let's try this again. Oh. Let me put this down here. There we go. Now it's clipped into place. Wow, that's pretty good. It's already got some gook up. Let's see. Wow, that's got really good suction too. So I'm going to say this is really nice. So this will be really good for around the shop or just around the house. I'm going to use this one here for around the house. And so, and what's good about it is you have the replaceable batteries. For me, I can just switch out the battery and use a different one if I want to. So pretty cool. And it's got everything it needs, and it's got a good filter on it too. It's like it's got a HEPA filter. And then I can just switch out the different heads and try all the different stuff. This will be good for getting the crevices into little places. So I like it. This is a nice little kit. Comes with all these different pieces and parts and stuff. So totally awesome. Thumbs up on this vacuum. Totally. Do I have a remote?